One opportunity can mean a dozen little jobs before the real selling even starts. What the system doesn't show is everything Alex does to keep those opportunities moving. Find the right people, research the company, understand the fit, build the message, update the pipeline, engage, follow up, and keep the context connected across tool after tool. What if Alex didn't have to carry all of that himself? What if the context he keeps rebuilding was already there? The right information connected, the important signals surfaced. The next move easier to see. Alex still makes the decisions. He just spends far less of his day holding the workflow together. And across a team, that means more capacity without losing the consistency. Same revenue heroes, more pipeline in motion. Run the 8x pipeline today.